Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is adverb phrase 140. The adverb phrase today is any which way. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's go right to it. If someone says any which way, it means in any direction or according to any method or possibly haphazardly or without order. The phrase seems to have developed in American English from older phrases of every which way or every which a ways, which both meant by any means. Let's continue. And we got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. Stock market analysts try to advise their clients to be more diversified, so any which way the market may move, the risk of losing money is reduced. Good. Number 2, there is no order to these files at all. She just placed them here any which way she felt. So this is very disorganized, very haphazard. Number 3, I don't care how you do it. Just make sure you get it completed by tomorrow, any which way you can. So any possible method, I don't care. Number 4, this pile of leaves scattered all over the driveway, any which way the wind blew. So again, in a very disorganized way in all places, in all areas. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.